you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2019 VW Atlas freshwater flood damaged vehicle. The unit does start and drive. As you can see, there's no corrosion to the engine compartment. The water level was very low in this vehicle. Engine runs perfectly. Let's do a quick walk around. As you can see, the body's very clean. A little dent on the hood and a scratch. This vehicle is being sold with a salvage title. Take a look inside. Start in the back. There's a rear shade. Inside's very clean. No signs of water. Carpet is completely dry. No corrosion in the tracks. No dirt. It is a 7-passenger. Inside's very clean. This one's ready to drive. Everything works. The electrical system checks out. Really nice car. Probably gonna sell it somewhere around 30 to 35% off retail value. No corrosion, no rust, no mold. Really nice vehicle. We do have financing available on the ready vehicles. You have to have good credit. We get great rates for our clients. We'll be on our website soon. Thanks for watching.